Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to another video. So I have got some fantastic Beauty Big Bang stamping plates to review for you. So I've got 12 in total. So what I'm going to do is break this up into two videos. So you're going to see 6 plates today, and if you come back on Friday you will see the other 6 plates being reviewed also. So I'm going to be doing plates 35 to 40 today, and this is the gorgeous packaging that I'm showing you. And here are the plates. I have removed the blue film previously as well, which you'll need to do before you start stamping. So with this, Jelly Babes, you'll have to bear with me because I kind of thought of the theme after I'd already started stamping. So it will seem like I am stamping these plates and I've already made a mistake because there's stamping polish everywhere. But it's just, I did the plate 35 first, but I didn't go straight to 30. I'm not showing you 35 first, if that makes sense. I'm actually showing you 36 because as you will see as these videos unfold, I've kind of got like a colour theme. So I thought I would do like a rainbow look, and that is obviously I'm going to start off, so all the swatches for this plate are going to be over various shades of red, and then I'm going to go through like the rainbow and then, you know, finish it off that way. So yeah, that's the long waffly way I'm explaining what I've done. So I'm hoping it will just look really cool, like especially when I put it over on Instagram, you know, and you'll look back over the 12 posts, you'll see that rainbow colour coming through, I hope. Otherwise it will have been a complete waste of time doing it this way. So yeah, so I love this plate. I love all the different lacy themes that are coming through. I do love the lace look with a mani. I just think it can look quite classy. Obviously you can get some really pretty lacy themes. You can get some, you know, a bit sexier themes. So yeah, so I'm really loving all the plates that Beauty Big Bang are bringing out at the moment. That I think they've actually brought out another set. I haven't even got round to reviewing this one, and another set's out. So, you know, they're firing on all 4 cylinders at the moment. So this is the last one that I'm going to be swatching today. And you can see I've had no issues either with the pickup. So this is them all cleaned up. I love all of the images off of this plate. What do you think, Jelly Babes? So moving on now to 37. So again, it has got more of a like lacy theme. But I do think as well, especially on some of the images, you can have multiple like looks or multiple uses from the plates, especially the images on the end. You know, you could use those maybe in like a French mani. But I do kind of like all the, you know, like almost like optical illusion looks that you've got going on. And that, you know, the birds in the cage in the middle of the plate, it's just so cute. So you can see here it's all been picked up really nicely. So yeah, so these images here, obviously I'm just like doing the whole image across the nail, but you could, you know, section this up if you wanted to, and, you know, maybe put it going diagonally across the nail, or maybe like I said, like a funky French manicure kind of look. So, you know, there is multiple ways that you can use it. I love this lacy look. It's just really cute. And like, obviously normally I probably would have put this over an orangey base. I may have put it, I think, would it be like a white base and then stamp over with black, so it can kind of like, if it was white, the birds would look white, so it could almost be like, you know, doves or something like that. But I suppose you can just play around with that anyway, can't you, as to what colours that you want. I think the flowers would look gorgeous if you did, you know, filled it in with some advanced stamping. You could get that looking really pretty as well. So here they all are after they've been cleaned up. Another beautiful plate. So have you purchased these already, Jelly Babes, or would you be interested in purchasing these? Like I say, all details and links and discount codes are in the description box. So with this one, It didn't fully stamp that great, but all I did was got the polish and like filled it in the bits instead of keep having to like restamp it trying to get the perfect look. And you can see that, you know, to look at it you wouldn't tell that that's what's been done after it's been top coated. So I thought I would share that with you. And this would be like perfect for summer because you could have those like, you know, really like bright colours, the flowers. So there's like a mix of images going on with this plate. You've kind of got a bit of a mandala flower look going on with this one, which again you could fill in and have it really sort of colourful and, you know, pop in with colour. You've got the leaves, you've got a zebra in there, and then peacock feathers. So it's a bit of a, you know, mix of images. And I do like these solid base ones as well, obviously, if you get to pick it all up properly. You could like smoosh colours together as well, if you wanted to. So now you've got these gorgeous peacock feathers, again, which you could fill in. So, have you noticed something different? Afterwards, I decided that I wasn't really feeling the pink, just because obviously I was having a pink base as well. So I changed the ones that were pink to white. And I do actually really like the white look as well. So moving on now to plate 39. So you've got all sorts of funky shapes going on with this. Actually, I think, is this the whirlpool one? Is it called whirlpool? I did put it at the start of the video anyway. But again, there's lots of potential for mixing and matching. I like having that variety in my plates. You know, I do like having plates that are a set theme, like the images are a set theme, whether that's unicorns or mermaids or whatever. But I do think that these mixy-matchy plates are also really good as well, because sometimes, you know, it can just be the perfect image that you wouldn't necessarily think to go to on a plate, but it can be that image that you're looking for to complete a nail design. I've done that many times. I really enjoyed just getting all my polishes out, actually. It was quite surprising because obviously I was looking for certain shades of the same colour, and you know, I expected to have had more shades in certain colours and not so much, you know, this. So it was kind of a good way to, like, you know, have a little, you know, indirect way of looking through my colours to see, you know, maybe ways that I can get different, you know, shades of a colour into my collection. But yeah, but this was a big video. It took 2 days of actual recording just to get this done, never mind, you know, editing and everything afterwards, because I think it's 72 swatches were used for both of these videos. So yeah, so obviously I would have had to have got those 72 pop sticks, you know, the colour applied beforehand, before I even started stamping. So yeah. A lot of effort has gone into it, Jelly Babes, which I know you really appreciate and enjoy, and that's why I do it. So I absolutely love this plate and love the images on it, because like I say, you've definitely got some French manicure tip things going on here, or maybe like a half moon. And I do love it, you know, I mean, obviously you could fill the whole nail with this, or you can, you know, you can move it around and get such different looks just by where you place it. And like this one here, like, you know, I mean, I'm showing you different ways that you can apply it. You know, you can put it at the top of the nail, you can put it at the bottom of the nail, you can even put it going sideways. So like here, I'm showing you, I'm putting it on the side of the nail. And obviously you can fill those flowers in as well. I really loved this combo because I love the blue and the white. It just kind of just like popped. It's like a simple but, you know, still quite stunning look. I thought maybe like a bridal, you know, because you've got your something blue and you've got the white lacy. Can look a bit like a garter maybe. I really love that look. And this one, obviously, just because I'm putting it over blue, it's quite plain, but you could, you know, fill those flowers in and make it really colourful if you wanted to. So there's lots and lots of potential with these plates. You can really see that, you know, the thought process behind it with the different looks that you can create using them. But I think these are just great for just like a simple stamping mani, but you know, it's still really eye-catching. So I really like this plate. And I do think it went really well with all the blue themes as well. So I'm going to be moving on now, even though this was plate 35, but this is the last plate. And it's got lots of beautiful flowers. You've got tulips, and obviously it's got that like block image. Do you remember when that first came out and we were all a bit like, what do you use that for? And then obviously trying to get it to swatch it perfectly as well, which is still an issue of mine. I haven't quite mastered it, but you know, you get there. But I mean, obviously with that block image, you can just put that on, you know, add a stamping polish on, and that can be your base and then stamp over it. So it's a, you know, a quicker way to get your mani done, I suppose. Especially if you're using regular polish, because you're not going to have to wait, you know, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes for your base to dry before you can even add any stamping. But again, some really pretty looks. You know, this is going to be really nice for the, you know, floral lovers out there. And this is going to be like perfect for, you know, obviously spring and summertime. Those are my favourite seasons. Not enjoying this season right now. It's really cold. It's making me feel even more ill than I normally do. So yeah, winter can hurry up and go away now. I want spring. So, I mean, obviously with this, I have put it already over a pink. I didn't quite think of this image through when I did my theme, but I still wanted to show it you anyway, just so you got an idea of how it would work in case that was the first time you've seen an image like that. And there you go, I've just stamped over the top of it, so you can, you know, use it that way. So this is the last image that I am going to be swatching today. So I hope that you've enjoyed this review video and it's been helpful to you. And like I say, we've got like half of the rainbow. So make sure you come back on Friday to see the full rainbow, and obviously seeing the swatches of the other plates from 41 to 46. So here they are all lined up together. Excuse the messy pop sticks. But doesn't it just look beautiful? Can you start to see the theme now? See where I was going with this? So that is it for today, Jelly Babes. Thank you so much for coming and checking it out. And like I say, all links and details and discount codes are in the description box. So if you want to purchase any of these plates, then check out my links down below. Take care. Bye.